Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can insert the trademark, registered, and copyright symbol into your Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So go ahead in the window search bar and type Word to bring up and open the Microsoft Word. Click on the blank document. Then here, let's start with the trademark sign. Okay, so click on the Insert tab at the ribbon. And here you'll find symbols. Click on this drop-down arrow and choose More Symbols. For the font, click on this drop-down arrow, scroll up and choose Normal Text. For the subset, click on this drop-down arrow. Then we have to look for letter-like symbols. And here we can find this one, the trademark sign or the trademark symbol. So obviously we can simply click on the trademark symbol and insert this into our Microsoft Word document. But what if you're just going to use a shortcut or a text shortcut in order to come up with a trademark symbol? So click on the trademark symbol and click on autocorrect. Replace text as you type. So we're going to replace it with a text shortcut. So I'm just going to type in here \trade. So it depends on you. You can put anything, but make sure that it is something that is related to the symbol, something that you can easily remember. And then once done, just simply click on add and click on OK. Okay, so it is already been added. So what we can do, we just need to simply add one. Okay, trade one, click on add and click on OK. And then close this. Now let's try. It's \trade one, hit enter. That's it. Now let's go with the registered symbol. So go back to the insert and then click on symbol, more symbols. For the font, click on this drop down arrow, scroll up and choose normal text. For the subset, we need to choose Latin 1 supplement, this one. And here we can find the registered symbol or registered sign. So we need to again create a text shortcut. So click on the registered symbol and click on autocorrect. Then here, we just need to simply replace it with a text shortcut. So type \, and then registered. Okay, it's \registered. You can also do the same thing and click on add. Then click on OK. And then close this. Now let's try \registered. Hit enter. Okay, now let's go with the copyright sign. To go back to the Insert tab, click on Symbol, click on More Symbols. For the font, click on this drop-down arrow, scroll up and choose Normal Text. For the subset, choose Latin 1 Supplement. And here you can find the copyright sign or the copyright symbol. Click on that and click on Autocorrect. Now let's replace it, \copy. Right. Okay, then click on Add. And then we just have to click on OK. And then close this. Now let's try \copyright. So every time you hit enter, every time you're going to add these symbols, you just have to remember your text shortcut and these symbols will be added into your Microsoft Word document. Okay, so that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.